How to find saved posts on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and you have to make sure that you have opened your account, of course. And then the next thing that you want to do is to choose a post that you want to save. So let's say this one. I want to save this post. So on the right side you will see this banner option. Tap on that, and here is save post. And then here, if it's now colored, that means it's already saved. So to find that post, what you want to do is you go here to your profile icon. On the bottom part, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that. And then on the upper left, or upper right rather, you will see three dash lines there, or the burger icon. Tap on that. And here you will see a lot of options, and look for saved here, and look for the banner. And then here, if you click on this, you will see all your saved posts here. And here, as you can see, you can now see your saved post. You can now see the recent posts that we actually saved, and that's it. That's how you find saved posts on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.